Man! Woo! Wow.
Alright y'all, it is the big special day. I got all my gear right here. Welcome back to another vlog. This is the Sub-Zero Vlogs, back with another video just for all of you guys. Man, today is a special day, y'all. It is Christmas and I am going to be handing the keys to my Corvette Z06 to my buddy Gerald today so he can go ahead and drive it, enjoy it, and just overall just have fun with it, man. He was the one that let me drive his Camaro ZL1 1LE earlier this year with a POV and a review, and I wanted to return the favor and let him take my car as a Christmas gift, y'all. So this day is gonna be all about him. He's worked so hard. He's an amazing dad. He's an amazing person to his kids, an amazing person to his partner, and overall he just deserves it. And with all the things that are going on this year, we gotta take care of each other, take care of your friends, and help each other out through all the hard times, y'all. So today is gonna be all about him. He's interested in getting a Chevy Corvette, so I want him to really experience how fantastic these cars are. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button and push the notifications bell. There's a lot of fun, awesome content I have coming very, very shortly. Some never before seen stuff coming for the Corvette. So if you're interested, go ahead, keep subscribing, keep following, and let's have fun with this video, y'all. Peace. Woo! Really quick, I just want to say Merry Christmas to everybody out there. I know it's been a very tough year. Hopefully some of you have been able to spend the holidays with some family, friends, or close loved ones. But anyway, I just want to say thank you to my parents. They got me this Corvette sweatshirt. Oh man, it's so cool. And I got this Corvette hat to match the emblem of the Corvette that I currently have. And they got me this to match the red hoonigan of the C6 I used to have. So it's basically like, you know, having both of them. So I'm really, really excited and happy. They surprised me. I didn't even ask for this, but you know, my parents, I just really love them. Thank you so much. And hopefully all of you out there were able to get something nice or give something nice. I got some stuff from my parents this year, and I was really, really happy to be able to do that for everything they've done for me this year. But anyway, y'all, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and let's get back to the video. All right, y'all, so we are on our way. Ooh, got my new Sparko gloves on. The interior. All right, my man.
Sincerely appreciate this. This is fucking awesome, dude. I've never been in a Corvette before, but even going from a Z01 to this is just different, dude. It's just different. So I'm about to have some fun driving, nothing crazy. I just want to experience the car, and I shall be back.
Have fun, man. Y'all, I haven't filmed any of this, but just know that we'll talk more when he gets back. And my dude, Merry Christmas, my man.
Roger that, bro.
Merry Christmas, bro. Damn, that looks so sexy. Dang.
Ridiculous. Oh man, I see what he's talking about. Oh, I see what he's talking about. Oh, what it feels like to be in a car again. Oh, Rev Match, I miss you. Chevy, you do a great job. You do a great job. Bro, these carbon ceramic brakes are just like you said, they're touchy as fuck. Wow. Wow. The Z07 package is worth it. Shit. Love me some Rev Match. Z07 on Z07 package on the Z06. I haven't even had a chance to push the car, and I really don't think people understand the feel that you get from this. Comes from a guy who had a Z011 LE, so same motor but a completely different package around it. Good God, man, you can't say enough about these brakes without even trying. All right, let's give the suspension a little switch. Let's go to sport mode and see what it does. Crazy. It just feels like it's letting you know where you're at on the road. I'm trying to build up, you know, our investment strategy, bro. This ride is not helping the investment strategy, bro. Oh, but it helps my spirit as a man. God, I love this thing. Dude, I can't wait till you take this to a track day. I can't even imagine what that's gonna be like. I'm probably gonna end up with a Grand Sport versus a Z06, but it's definitely gonna have the Z07 package. And this, man, this is ridiculous. Even just cruising feels, you can hear the blower whine thanks to your hood and getting rid of the extra in the front. This thing is ridiculous. I can't say that enough, bro. And it feels good to be back in the stick again. Everything I have is automatic right now, but speed comes
tried to tell you. I gave you a chance.
It's everything the Z01 Muhammed Ali was, but nicer, in a lighter package, and faster. That's the best way I can explain it. Like, it's so much fucking fun. It never says no. It just says, yeah, let's do it. Oh, it says 30? 80's fine. Oh, you're going too fast and traffic is stopped? Just touch the brakes. You don't have to hit them, just touch them.
Just tap them.
You're now going 0. This car is fantastic, bro. This car is fantastic.
I tried telling him. I gave him a chance.
So much fun. I don't, like, that's the best way I can explain it, bro. It's so much fun.
I tried, bro. I told you.
Like I said, my car was rough. It was fun, it was fast, but it was rough. Even this car in Sport 1, like you told me, when I went from touring to sport to track with Sport 1, it still felt fine. The tires give you great response and feedback. Like, it just has fun, and it never, like I said, it just never says no. It never says no. It's always asking for more.
I told you.
And it's easy to drive. Like Randy Powell said it best when he was comparing this to the Viper ACR. The Viper ACR was faster, but this was easy to drive fast for a longer period. You don't get tired. You never feel like, oh, it's too much. I was just going through the curves, slow and steady.
I tried to explain it. I tried.
I'm being honest. Like, I'm used to the power, but this is so much lighter than the Z01 was. But it felt familiar. Like, the longer I drove the car, the more familiar it felt. Yeah, being in the Chevy power plant. But it's just different, dude. And like always, even the Z01, I'm looking, when the sun's right, I'm looking in the shadow, observing the wing. You know, just like, oh, that's just a shadow.
I stare at other people's cars, they think I'm looking at their car. I'm just looking at the reflection.
Yeah, just looking at the reflection, bro. It's just, dude. Monster? Yes. It's a refined monster.
It's basically stock too.
It's not basically, I mean, suspension with the stock, but the car, the motor is stock. And like I said, it reminds you when you step on, I went full throttle one time. And I was like, yeah, that's enough. Like, that's enough.
So you had fun? You enjoyed yourself? It was a good Christmas day?
That's an understatement. Honestly, dude, I'm only back here now because Sonic is here.
I told them we won't see you for like 3 hours.
If Sonic wasn't here, I wouldn't be back. Like, I would have drove to Fontana where my dad was at.
I thought we were going to Vegas. I told them Vegas.
I would drove.
See, Fontana, Vegas?
I would have drove to Fontana where my dad was at and be like, come on, we're going for a ride, and took him on a ride.
You want to go take him for a ride? You can?
No, he's already in his truck.